How to delete a focus on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. As you can see, your phone is currently in the Do Not Disturb mode. From here, tap on the focus you want to delete. For example, silence calls. Using this focus, calls from selected people will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. On this page, you can view and manage the silence calls focus settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Focus. Tap on Delete Focus again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted the silence calls focus. Following these steps, you can easily delete a focus on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.